Welcome back, everyone. I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's another Tip Tuesday. This week, we're continuing the task management series with SharePoint lists. Yes, I said SharePoint lists. So if you haven't seen my tip from a couple of weeks ago, you might want to go back and check that one out first. Remember, we do have Microsoft lists within our Microsoft ecosystem. What I'm talking about now are the SharePoint lists, and this is a classic SharePoint task list. I promised I would show you how these task lists work with Outlook, and in order for it to work with Outlook, it has to be the classic task list app from SharePoint. You can tell you're in the classic list because you have a task tab in the upper left-hand corner and a list tab. On that list tab, you have an option to connect to Outlook. If you do not see that button, or if it's grayed out, the list that you are working with is not compatible with Outlook. Let's go check out Outlook real quick. If you've been working with Outlook, you'll probably notice if your groups are connected that you have some inboxes related to your Microsoft Teams and SharePoint content. You might also have calendars that you can work with, show and overlay so that you can see all your calendars in one place. Wouldn't it be nice to have all of our tasks in one place as well? Let's go to the task view. Our default view is the to-do list, and we also have the task list view from Outlook. Let's go ahead and connect our SharePoint list to Outlook. The first time that you connect to Outlook, you're going to get two pop-up boxes. Because I've already done this once, I'm only going to get one. Let's click Connect to Outlook, and then confirm one or more pop-ups that appear. This is just making sure it's okay for Outlook to talk to SharePoint and SharePoint to talk to Outlook. And it synchronizes every task. You might want to create a new view of your task list that narrows it down to just the ones that are assigned to you. In order to do that, we're going to go to the View tab and select Change View, and then Manage Views. Select the Detailed option and select New. And give it a name. If you're going to synchronize multiple lists and you would like this to be available across all of them, you might want to choose the All Task Folders option here. Click OK. And then use the Filter option, Advanced. Under the field, you're going to select your task fields and choose Assign To, Contains, and then put in your name. And click OK. Confirm again with OK and apply the view. Now only my items appear in the task view. The ones for Nesta are no longer here. If I mark my items as completed, or give them updates, when we go back to the SharePoint list, the updates are synchronized. Each person that has access to this list can do the exact same thing and manage their tasks from Outlook. That's my tip for this week. Thanks for watching. Now that you know about SharePoint lists and you know about Outlook, next week we're going to take it to another level and loop project files right back in so that project managers can manage from the project file, your team can manage their tasks from SharePoint, and any individual that would like to manage their task can manage it from Outlook. I'll see you next week. In the meantime, check out these amazing events that we have coming up. And until next time, I'm Shortcut Sherry, and it's my job to make your job easier.